Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm about to go to bed, but I wanted to film my Cruelty-Free kitty box and my Petit Vour box. I'm just going to combine them together because I'm so far the only one that's posted about the Cruelty-Free kitty box, and Petit Vour has more, I don't know, followers or whatever. So let's just get started. Okay, so the Cruelty-Free kitty box, this is the third month. Yes. Okay, so we got the Piper or Pipper, I think it's Piper, Way. I don't know if it's Way. W-A-I. It is the activated charcoal deodorant. This actually was in my shopping cart for a while, and I like just X'd out of it because it's plastic, but whatever. My husband has very sensitive armpits and stinks sometimes. I don't know. My husband is very particular when it comes to deodorants. I use Native and it works best for me, especially for a natural deodorant. It is amazing. I don't stink. I don't sweat, blah, blah, blah. But for my husband, it does not work for him. So anyway, this is a aluminum-free, paraben-free, vegan for sensitive skin deodorant. Oh, by the way, both of these boxes are cruelty-free and vegan. Just getting that out of the way, and they're both monthly. The Petit Vour one that I get is $18. They also have a plus one that is a little bit more, and then the cruelty-free kitty box is $39.99 a month if you get it monthly. If you get it annually, it's $34.99. So anyway, yeah, let's get that out of the way. And the Petit Vour one, you sometimes get full-size products, but mostly it's travel size. And then with the Cruelty-Free kitty box, everything is full size. So the Piper Way deodorant has this really pretty like mint, kind of like tealy color. Rob, what do you think of the deodorant so far?
It's doing well.
He does doing well, and he just went on a run when he put this on. And then I got the French Girl Rose Lip Polish. Super cute. And then the, I believe this is glass. It's minty. And it's just like a sugar, I don't want to make a mess, but it's just a sugar lip polish. It's big size too. Yeah, it smells refreshing, kind of minty. Like an actual like mint plant, not artificial. And then I got the Go Pure Actives 10% niacinamide booster. It's for all skin types supposedly. And yeah, so it's also, it says it has Reforcel Aeon pumpkin seed oil extract, helps to smooth the skin, balance skin tone, and decreases the appearance of wrinkles and aging. Bix Active, an extract of the annatto fruit. This ingredient helps to hydrate the skin while improving the appearance of skin imperfections, enlarged pores, and unwanted shine. And then Light SKN microalgae formulation visibly reduces the appearance of uneven skin tone and age spots. So very pretty, metallic-y, like I don't know, like a green evergreen. So we'll try that out. And then lastly, we got a mascara, which I love getting mascara, but I hope this mascara is actually good. It's by Cella, and it's in black. It's a full size, obviously, because everything in this box is full size. It is the Good Drama Mascara Black. And packaging's pretty. I think it's roses, maybe, and gold-ish. So we're gonna try that out. That looks pretty. Hopefully it's good. So let's go over the prices. A little cat. Okay, so the Piper Way deodorant is $15. The French Girl Organics lip polish is $20. The I am missing a product. I'm supposed to have a lip balm in here, and I don't. I just have the deodorant, the lip polish, the niacinamide booster, and the mascara. I thought I was missing something. Okay, so I will be contacting them. Right. Okay, so anyway, the lip balm is $30 by Finding Ferdinand. I have heard of that brand. I have not tried anything from them. And then the niacinamide booster is $35, and then the mascara is $25. With a retail value of $125, this month we donated to the Cat House on the Kings a sanctuary for stray and abandoned cats and kittens. They have a no cage, no kill policy. That's awesome. Except for I would like to try that lip balm because I love lip balms, but again, I will have to contact them. So, and then let's get to what I got from my Petit Vour box. Cute. We actually did get a full-size product. This is by Studio Botanic. It's some type of face cream. Regenerative facial skincare, moisturizing and fast absorbing. Olive oil, vegan wax, and hemp oil. And it's made in Germany, which I assume because I don't know anything about German, but it just sounded kind of German. I think this is aluminum, I'm pretty sure. This, which I love because I try to be as low waste as possible. Hopefully this is hydrating because I have very dry Sahara Desert skin. So yeah, anyway. And then we got a little perfume, which I actually don't even own any perfume, so it's kind of cool. It smells really good. It's by Ellis, Brooklyn, and it's in Meat Fawn, like liquid sunshine, bergamot, coconut milk, and sun warm skin. It smells really, really good. So yeah, it smells like all those things. And then we got another mascara, Lengthening Organic Mascara by Harvest Natural Beauty. These are some big claims, so we shall see. Thicken and lengthen each lash, infused with conditioning organics and vitamin E. This unique formula is smudge proof. We will see. Water resistant. We will see because I have really watery eyes. Free from artificial colors, preservatives, and fragrances, making it ideal for sensitive eyes. How to use it, and then it has a little recyclable thing. So, and I haven't opened any of these because I'm going through my mascaras. I don't like to have a lot opened at once. Has the plastic on it, so do the other one, like the plastic seal. So that's pretty cool. Again, we shall see. The full, I want to say it's a full size, but I don't know this brand at all. And then lastly, we got another deodorant. It's by Speak deodorant cream, and then it is a 3-month shelf life, which literally, because it says it expires in September, and it's 0 waste because it's in aluminum. And yeah, it's in like a cream though, so I haven't used a deodorant like this before, so but it's pretty cool. So, oh, also both these boxes are clean. You can have your thoughts about that. Let's be respectful in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. I would love for you guys to stay and learn more about cruelty-free and vegan beauty and how it's awesome and good for the animals and good for everybody. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.